This is the fourth gaseous planet, which is the gas plant. And there is no surface of the ocean. Now, just because of the lack of the coal, we have to be able to understand the life of this. When other planets are not able to understand such a thing. The most powerful energy of the sun is the energy of the earth. So, imagine how much heat the sun will be able to rise. At this temperature of day, 430 degrees Celsius is gone. So, at night, at minus 118 degrees Celsius, we cannot even imagine the temperature of this temperature. So, how can we imagine how to live there? Now, if we are talking about the happiness of the planet, we cannot live on this planet. Because here, the surface of the sun is also the same. Here, the water is not the same. The temperature of the surface is so high that the heat is the same. And the air pressure is also more than enough to rise from the surface. It cannot be made here without it. And the fuel is made from gas. That is, it must be made on this planet. As you are making a plant on the ground. Now, you cannot be on the ground. Right? Similarly, the sun and the sun are far away from the sun. And the gas is made from gas. That is, there is no plan to go there. Now, if we talk about the earth, we already live there. And the fourth number of the sun's temperature of the sun is very low. And the same is the surface of the sun's surface. This is not far away from the sun. That is, in the rest of the sun's solar panels. The sun is very hot and the sun is very cold. That is, the sun is the sun. The sun can be the life of humans. But is this really so easy? The sun is more than your wish. And you will soon be able to live as a human being. Before you tell us about this life, the sun will not be as easy. This is not the second life. And if you want to keep a good mood on this planet today, then you can take the life of the dead radiation here. Here is low temperature, less oxygen, low atmospheric pressure. All of them will not be able to get it. In fact, it will be put in the living room. So, if you go to the dream in your dreams, you can go with yourself and close your eyes. Now, this is the sun's dream. But now you cannot go to the moon and stand. Because this is not the right time to live as humans. Here, only the rovers are sharing. There are many cuttings on the moon and there are many people there. There are also more difficult to reach. Because we have to complete the process of reaching there. But for our survival, we have to pack everything together and take it. So that we can go there and return to this place. Because we cannot drink water like the earth on the earth. We cannot break the water from the tree and eat it. And we cannot go back home easily after sitting in our car. So, the question is, why are the preparations going on in the moon? It is a good question. So friends, if we are going to explore the moon today, then the biggest reason is that after the earth. This is the way the life of the moon is looking. And what is the life of the moon in the moon? This is a good way to know the moon. And let us tell you that there was a lot of water in the moon. And this was also a hot heat. And it also supports the atmosphere of the moon. That is, the moon is also giving us the hope and the nature of the moon. But how is the moon still like? Is it the day when the earth will be like the earth? And is it also like the moon? The light of the moon can be lifted in the sky. So, it is said that this is the way the moon knows the moon. So, let us move on to the next step of this Roman journey. The moon is also known as the Roman god of wars. And yes, the moon is also known as the Mars. Interesting, isn't it? The moon's temperature is 4.6 billion years. And after this, the solar system is the smallest. It is strange that we are going to shift from small to big. But what to do? If we were to have a good time of the Earth, then today, we are going to have a good time with the planet of Borea Bister Samitani.